Hello, I'm Sue Walker, and I'm going to show you how to make mini sandwiches. You will need a round cookie cutter. The ingredients are egg salad, chicken salad, cucumbers, dill weed, bread of your choice, cream cheese, and mayonnaise. Start by spreading 6 slices of bread on the countertop. Using a knife, spread each slice of bread with mayonnaise. For the egg salad, place a scoop of egg salad in the center of 1 slice of bread. Place the other slice of bread on top. Now take a knife and slice off the crust. Cut the sandwiches into 3 pieces lengthwise. For the chicken salad, place a scoop of chicken salad in the center of 1 slice of bread. Put the other piece of bread on top. Slice off the crust. Now cut the sandwich crosswise to make 4 triangle-shaped sandwiches. For the cucumber sandwiches, spread cream cheese on top of the mayonnaise. Cut the bread with a cookie cutter. Now layer the cucumbers on top of the bread. Sprinkle with a little dill weed and place the other half of the circle on top. Place all of these sandwiches on a platter and serve. And that is how to make mini sandwiches.